We've got some exciting new things coming out in the coming months. One of the things we're doing is expanding our line of industrial actuators, where we've got belt-driven actuators with multiple profile rails for support, and these go up to 6 meters of travel. With loads up to 8,000 pounds. We're going to be integrating control electronics across our range. We'll also be expanding our motor gearbox offering with our actuators. Some new things coming along the road here. We will be releasing a series of rod-style electric actuators to replace pneumatics and small hydraulics, and again, integrating our control technology with those. So we're excited to bring these to the market here in the coming months, and look forward to working with you.